INEOS Shale's ever-expanding business has recently appointed Ron Coyle as CEO. With almost 20 years at INEOS, Ron is heading up some of the most exciting work being done at the business.
At the moment, we're undertaking the largest seismic survey, or 3D seismic survey, that's ever been done in the UK. It's a huge logistical undertaking, and it's incredibly complex. And gather all this data from the seismic survey, see where we think the most commercially viable areas are. And so now we're in the planning process for when these seismic surveys end. We're able to look at the data. Then we want to drill some core wells to basically pull up core samples, take a look at that, see what the geology under our feet looks like.
Whilst these surveys will be used for INEOS's research and development purposes, the data will also have wider benefits for the UK as a whole.
We've got our own set of uses for the data. We're going to share this data with the British Geological Survey. So this will be available for future generations of scientists and others in the UK to use as they see fit.
Despite this, there are still worries amongst many UK communities about the seismic surveys. Tom Pickering has been key in building relationships with local communities up and down the UK.
We recognise that the foundation for this has to be the relationship with the community. There's a lot of myths and worries that are put out, and actually people expect us to come and talk and explain what we're doing. We've done a number of exhibitions just solely related to the seismic. We've continued with our community initiatives, hoping to get together community liaison groups, particularly related to any drill sites that we have. If we could put the UK in control of its own future in natural gas terms, instead of importing, instead of relying on countries where we don't have control over the behaviours in that country environmentally or with the workforce, giving us energy security, giving us energy for manufacturing, there's loads of good reasons to be doing this.
With 2018 not far away, INEOS plans to increase its drilling of core wells into the new year.
If we're going to cover, let's say, 250 square kilometers, we'll probably do closer to 500 next year. We want to drill at least 3 core wells next year so we can pull that data, take a look at it. 2018 is going to continue to be an extremely challenging year, but we're running fast. People are excited about this from top to bottom, so it's going to be great.